Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to filter data in Google Sheets without affecting other users, so you can sort and organize your information without changing the view for everyone else working on the document. First, create a new filter view. Instead of using the standard filter icon, which changes the view for everyone, you'll want to use Filter Views. Go to the top menu and click on Data, hover over Filter Views, and select Create New Filter View. You'll notice the border of your spreadsheet changes. This indicates you are now in a private view that only you can see. Any sorting or filtering you do here will not move the cells on anyone else's screen. Next, name and set your criteria. Now, click the filter icon in your column headers to choose your criteria, like filtering for a specific date or name. Because you are in a filter view, your colleagues will still see the full, unfiltered list on their end while you see your specific results. Lastly, exit and save for later. When you're done with your private analysis, you can return to the normal view easily. Click the X in the top right corner of the bar to close the filter view. The spreadsheet will instantly return to its original state for you. The best part is that Google Sheets automatically saves this view. The next time you need it, just go to Data, Filter Views, and select the name you created in Step 2 to hop right back in. And that's pretty much it. To filter privately in 2026, go to Data, Filter Views, Create New Filter View. Name your view in the bar, apply your filters, and click the X when you're done. This keeps the main sheet clean while giving you the exact data you need. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.